We're back. We got a special delivery. Try to see if we can get some more info on this here 300ex. Alright, y'all. Y'all seen that? One Way put it up on the air for us. Alright, Rob, shit. Run us through this thing a little bit.
Hey, so, oh, he definitely didn't take care of his air filter.
Oh, that's nasty.
That's not good. We can't run that. But, yeah, she definitely got a kick, so she won't have to have the valves going through. You know, maybe we'll order new valves, redo valve glass, redo all of that. Have a brand new head on it. Or y'all want to motor swap it, you know what I'm saying? 750? Or do we want to restore the 300 EX? It's a true Honda now, boys. We'll swap it out for a Yamaha or keep it Honda. What you think, Holler Boy?
Hey, I think, you know me, I'm going to say Yamaha. Yamaha, ha, ha. You want that Honda?
I'm surprised there ain't a rat in here, my boy. Normally when we get these and they're this dirty, there's some rats in them.
Thought we smelled a little rat doo-doo whenever that thing first fired up behind the truck. Looks a little chewed, but I don't see no doo-doos.
I don't see no doo-doo.
He dumped that first. He wouldn't want to do that to us. But that's it, y'all. 2006 Honda TRX 300ex. Y'all heard Rob. Drop it in the comments. What we doing? Restoring this 300? Or are we doing a motor swap?